So welcome to the review of the Victorinox Swiss Champ Swiss Army knife. This was purchased in New Zealand and it is not being used, so it's brand new. It's come out of the box once to have a look at. So I've put it back in the box and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Now this is the real Victorinox Swiss Champ knife, which comes in a grey box like this. This is the side of the box. As you can see, it says Swiss Champ on there. Here is the other side of the box. And there's nothing on that side of the box. So now we're going to pull it open and see what's inside the box. So now that I've opened up the box, you can see it comes with a user's guide. So the user's guide has different languages and what multifunction tools there are. And inside the box is the knife itself. As you can see, Swiss Champ knife. It's got the logo on the top. So we'll go through it bit by bit and show you what it has. So the first thing here is the can opener. Hear the click. Only Swiss Army knives make that sound. Let's do that again. So that's the can opener. Comes with a little flat screw head on the top. And if we look at the next one, so I'm holding the phone with one hand. So here is the bottle opener, which can be put at 90 degrees or right up. Hardly any push on that. Now, as I have no fingernails, it's hard to get them open. So the next bit of kit we come to is this Phillips screwdriver here, which also sits on a 90. Just love the clicking sound on these, eh? And then on the other side, we have a magnifying glass. That was easier to pull up. Now they say with the magnifying glass that you can start a fire with it. As I said, I've only just pulled this out once, so I haven't even used it yet. So now we're going to take a look at the pliers, which are next. Alright, so here are the pliers. Pretty sturdy. Now the Swiss Champ is the flagship knife. There's the spring action there. Also comes with a wire crimper down there. So the next thing in the kit is the scissors. The blades are very sharp. Same spring on that as well. The good thing about the Swiss Army knife is you don't have to use force to close them. So now we're going to take a look at the fish scales. So here are the fish scales. There's that click. So this side has centimeters. This side has inches. Also comes with a hook disgorger. So with a little bit of, see, I'll just close it to a little bit. And it just closes up. So I've got 3 more on this side, and then we'll go to the other side. So the next thing is the wood saw, which also has a file on the other side. Well, it feels like a file, but it's just the way it's been cut. So those teeth are sharp. So here is the teeth on the wood saw. Now we come into the file with a metal saw there. There's another angle of the metal saw and file. And last but not least are the blades. Now I'm going to do both of them because they're sharp. So here's the small blade. So there's the small blade there. And now we'll go to the big blade. And here is the big blade. And as you can see on the big blade, you can tell that this is a real one by the labeling on the blade. So there is the labeling on the blade, Victorinox Swiss made stainless. And on the back it says Officer Swiss. So now we've gone through this side of the knife, we're going to go through the other side. And then we'll go through 3 more things. So on this side of the knife we've got a corkscrew and an eye screw located just there. So you can use this tiny screw for your glasses, sunglasses or normal glasses, and that comes in the corkscrew there. So as you'll see, because it's brand new, it has been pre-oiled. So you can see a bit of oil there. Now we move on to the chisel. As you can see, this is the first time I've opened this, so you can probably see what you may think is water, but it's actually oil, and it says it in the user guide. There's a bit of oil on there. And there's oil in there, you can see it at the bottom. So that's the chisel, which is really good. Now we move on to the flathead. Flat foot screwdriver, you can see there's oil on there. And now we have the hook. So years ago, when parcels came with string, you used to be able to use that hook to pick up the parcel. And it can go on a 45. Then you used to go down, pick up the parcel, and then hold it straight like that, It can be used for any wire that fits that size to pick up stuff. And last but not least, we have a reamer with a fisheye. So you can make holes in leather, and you can also sew with that. So that brings us to both sides of the knife. Now we're going to have a look at 3 little things in the ends, and then I'll open it right up so you can have a look at it. Okay, so this cream coloured one here is a toothpick. So there is the toothpick. And this thing in here on this side we'll have a look at right now. So this is a pen. Now it has blue ink. And to test it, it's pressurized. I am going to write a message on here. So I'll do a little bit now so you can see it. Because I'm holding the phone and writing with my other hand. It's very hard. So there you go. That's with this pressurized pen. And finally, in the pocket knife, as always, is some tweezers. There we go. Good spring on them, and they sit comfortably in there. So that is the Swiss Champ flagship review. Now let's open it right up. So that is one side. That's one side, and we'll hop up and have a look. And now we'll show the other side. And here is the other side of the knife. As you can see very carefully, the gold rivets. There's 3 of them. There's one down there. There's one there. And there's one just down there. So thanks for watching this review of the Swiss Army knife. I hope you liked it. And please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.